Hey, welcome back again guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and this is the Redmi Note Sampath. As you can see in this video, I'm going to discuss about this Lineage OS 18.1 fork GApps version, the latest October security patch, and build date you can see here October 19th one, and the kernel used here is 4.14.190. Spoon plus kernel is used in this ROM, and this is the logo of the fork Lineage OS 18.1. I already made a video of this in last month. Do check out that video if you want more information on this ROM, and this is the updated version now. It's still Android 11 only, no Android 12, but anyhow, as you can see. And if you're first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below and also follow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like, and let's begin the video. And basic things first. Many people ask about this. Is there any call recording, like video call feature is there? Direct video call feature is available. Let's see whether the call recording feature is not available. That's the one thing you need to be note in this ROM. And coming to like hairstyles and wallpapers, you get a little bit of wallpapers, as you can see. Not plenty, but definitely it's there. In the style sections, you need to customize yourself, and grid size are given, and clock faces are plenty are given. And these are the apps. And one thing I always tell, that's the audio effects. This will help you to make better audio experience using earphones. This acts like Dolby Atmos, like that. Not exactly Dolby Atmos, but still it's useful to have this kind of feature. In this ROM it's available. You can use by using earphones, or even in the Bluetooth earphones you can enhance the sound experience. And coming to ANX camera, here it's working fine. In the more options, these are the options you get. You can edit that. Even the photo mode, as you can see, I'll click a shot. As you can see, it's working fine in this ROM. If you want, you can use any Gcam ports. And coming to like WhatsApp is also working fine. And DRM info, here the DRM info, let's go. As you can see, security level 1, which is really good. You can watch any OTT contents in HD resolution. And coming to safety net status, here it's get past. That's the new changelog they have explained. It's get past changelog, that's it. And Google Pay and WhatsApp and even the MyJio, those apps are working fine, no problem in this ROM. And coming to like GPay, everything is working fine. You get this kind of file manager and gallery is pre-installed. And this is the quick settings panel. If you want, you can edit by dragging. For example, let's see this one, like this you can edit and add, and all the features are working fine. By default, the location and sync option will be enabled. You need to drag them and disable if you don't need those things. And the screen recording features, you get only these two options. And in the settings, let me show you flashlight, Bluetooth, everything is working fine, no problem here. Let's turn the dark theme. This is how the quick settings panel looks like this, and even the settings panel. And in the display settings, there are settings like, if you go into dark theme, you can select here. For example, if I select material ocean, the color is different. And even the dark aqua gang over again. This is how you can change. As you can see, the colors are different in dark theme. I suggest you to use the Raven black or the any pitch black conditions to get the maximum benefit of this dark theme. And battery life is also good actually in this ROM, because that spoon plus kernel, it's going to be better. Let me disable the dark theme. And you get all these features in the battery settings. Extreme battery power saver is given. Automatic power saver, you can turn it on, and last full charge. All the details you can get in the battery settings. In the apps and notification settings, you get conversations here, notifications, you can enable or disable. Even the bubbles are also given. and assistance is also given in the app section, and you can see plenty of options here: permission manager, default apps, special app access. In sound settings you get increase ring volume, start volume, ramp up volume. You can increase like that. Vibration for calls also you can choose here. It's a increase ring volume is a little bit newer for me. If you have already seen it, do mention it out in the comment section below. Volume steps you get like this, and live caption adaptive sound is also given. Media also you can have it out in the quick settings panel if you choose a default music player, and touch vibration you can enable or disable, and all these settings are given here. You can enable or disable from these settings. In the display settings, as I said, night light is also given. You can schedule it out. Adaptive brightness is also working fine. Screen time and rotation settings. Fonts also, there are plenty of fonts are pre-installed in this ROM. Font size also you can adjust. Screensaver, lock screen, tap to wake, tap to sleep. Let me show you. As you can see, tap to wake and tap to sleep, both the options are working fine in this ROM. And the switch style, if you enable the 3-button navigation bar, then you can choose different types of switch style in this ROM. And privacy settings, everything same. Accessibility menu is what happened, I don't know. In the previous ROM also it's not there, here also it's not there. The menu which is need to be used as a shortcut, that is not present in this ROM. Do not that. If you want to use that, that is missing in this ROM. And this is Fork 18.1 Lineage OS version, latest October build on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. And if you like the video, give it a like, and let's further proceed with this system settings. You get buttons here. You can choose some of the shortcuts in this ROM. In the system profiles also you can adjust status bar also given here. Here you can choose the battery status style. Only 3 are given, but anyhow it's given in the advanced session. Here the system navigation, you can adjust the gesture bar length, radius also, and also the immersive navigation haptic feedback also you can enable or disable in the gestures. There is also a swipe to screenshot, 3-finger is available. As you can see, you can use it out. It's a handy feature to have. And these all the and violet parts, here you get display color, calibration, and all the things. It's also working fine. Me sound enhancer, you can choose the headphone type here, and also the, but using this audio effects can make better experience. Using wired earphones you will get better experience rather than that violet parts, that you need to be keep in mind. And coming to performance, here you get graphics settings like Smooth Plus Ultra only, but I have enabled using GFX tool. Smooth Plus, Extreme Balance, Extreme HD, Extreme HDR, Extreme. You can play it out by using the GFX tool. If not, it's recommended to use in Smooth Plus Ultra or HD and High, but enable it out guys using GFX tool. You can play Smooth Plus Extra, Extreme, and it will be better in gameplay. And let me start the CPU throttling test here. Let's see. Let's start the test. As you can see, there's a CPU throttling test on this Redmi Note 7. After that, Fork Lineage OS 18.1 October update. After that update, it's how the performance, which is really good in my opinion. It's fine. And this how the ROM performance, everything is working fine. Even the gameplay also I have tested in last night, and here you get this kind of cool features. And how do you feel guys? How is this ROM? And do mention out which is your current ROM you are using. And that's it guys in this video. And let me show you the speed test. I have here like 100 Mbps plan. It's pulling up to 90 somewhere, which is really good. And also I will show with mobile data. As you can see, you will get LTE plus. Sometimes it depends upon your local network. These are the internet connection what I am getting in this ROM. And if you like the video, give it a like, and thank you for watching guys. See you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.